Okay, y'all, I just know we're gonna go back to Miami literally today. We're about to prank our sister because she in the shower. We gotta hear this up. But I got this big ball for the full water for the pour on her in the shower. That's my honey. We're going to fill up and we're gonna while she in the shower. We're gonna wash her. We're gonna wash her hair because we don't want to get to it. Oh my gosh. Bro, you
Go away.
No, we gotta understand.
Alright, y'all.
He was like, she had my sister, but I guess she has my sister when she going home.
Oh, okay.
We're back on the Nada Yada Island Confession Show. Benny is about to tell us how he found you love. Go ahead. Yeah, thanks to Metro. I called 12 and Apple Watch S. At Metro, get the perfect backup.
So we just came from the little store thing and we got ourselves, both of ourselves, some roll-on, and it's the cotton candy one, so unbox it with us. It's not that hard to unbox. Show you me. I hope I don't get copyrighted. I'm gonna mute. I got me some hot
Or your
Cheetos.
mom.
Oh, my mom got me some hot Cheetos. And then she got me some Minute Maid.
Okay.
So our mom got me some
Of these shit. And I got the same
another
shit.
Minute Maid.
Which I got. Show the camera
What y'all got? Show the camera what y'all got.
Yeah, I got me
Wait.
kiwi strawberry
we ain't-
right here.
Okay, our brother got some kiwi strawberry
With some
and
hot
some
fries.
hot fries.
Okay, Ashana.
She got the same drink.
Some kiwi, strawberry, mini, and some hot Cheetos.
And
Period.
our other sister, she got some Cheetos and water.
Cheetos and water.
Yeah.
It's connected to you.